Alright, I'm playing with the new Blender 2.8 build from blender.org, and these new builds have been coming in with tons of new features every day, so I've been playing around with them thanks to the CodeQuest guys working full-time on this. So it's pretty exciting, all the cool new stuff. So like we got this random material thing. We've got object overlap. It's kind of a cool toon shader thing. What else? Face orientation. This is really cool. It shows the direction of the normals. So if we have stuff that's flipped inside out, it's going to be red, like this cube. So since this cube is an interior surface, everything is facing. Oh, actually, it should be facing the other way. Let me flip that around. There. It's already working. Face orientation. But the really cool stuff is the rendered mode, which we've got the real-time, the refraction or the glass. So these little spheres are all doing this little pretty decent approximation of glass. Very nice. And then these guys, or Suzanne's, are looking good with the subsurface. Let's see. Let me grab all these and delete them. I wish I could just select them all and delete them. Not perfect yet, but I love how it builds the light right when you open the scene. You can see how it's like adding in all these reflections and the global illumination. So that global illumination is coming from these light probes. So here's this grid of little dots is the GI light probes. So you can see if we put it off to the side, we're only going to have GI in this certain area back here. But if we enclose this whole volume like this, that should work pretty good. And this is pretty awesome because interior volumes are usually kind of notoriously hard for ray tracers like cycles or anything. So having this light probe option is really great for interiors. And we can go in, let's grab Suzanne, or yeah, maybe this thing. Let's try. Let's try the color. Tinted glass, pretty cool. Yep. And alright, so let's see where Suzanne is. Where icosphere is. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so just wanted to play around with that in case you haven't been following the 2.8 CodeQuest. It's pretty exciting stuff. The Blender guys are doing videos every day pretty much, so if you just search Blender CodeQuest, they just brought a handful of developers to Amsterdam, and they're working full time all together in one room finally. So pretty cool. All these guys. I'm especially excited about William Rainish because I really liked his document he put together on the UI. He has some really good ideas and just making things a lot more consistent and logical. So I'm really excited that there's a dedicated dude just for UI. And you can support this stuff if you want. You can grab one of these rockets. I bought one of these, and it helps them to pay for these guys to come together. And I mean, it's still a tiny team, but the amount of progress they're making is just really inspiring. So they also have YouTube under Code Quest. This guy Pablo is kind of documenting everything on Blender today, and he does live videos. There's also this Code Quest log. They're showing all the behind the scenes, like the new building and everything. It's really cool. I mean, usually people don't get excited about developers meeting and their meeting notes and stuff like that, but I've been like trying to follow all this, and it's really fun. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to do a little update video.